Ndakuwindawo lishonile Thokozani riperile ni matekwana. I got a follow-up question about Umhliwa. The question went like, Gogo, can Umhliwa disturb me while I am ephehlweni? Can Umhliwa continue to disturb me or to harm me uma ngisephehlweni? The answer is yes. Definitely yes. You see, the one important thing that I saw about being ephehlweni or being under a mentor is that you get protected. Believe you me, you get protected. I am a testimony to that. Ukuba ugajekiwe idlozi laphakama, it doesn't mean ukuthi umhliwa uzokuyekela. It doesn't mean ukuthi imimoya emibi will just look at you and say, awuthi sihambe la. No, they will persist. They will continue and try and disturb your journey. So ngeke umhliwa uyekele uthi hamba sewugajekiwe idlozi selibhobokile. Hamba sebangisusile la kuwe. You can continue with the journey. No, it will fight. That's why I'm saying yes, it can continue. But the difference would be it won't have that power, much power like it used to when it was still staying in your body. Umdliwa ungase uxoshwe lapha emzimbeni wakho. There's no way it's gonna be more powerful or do you harm like it used to. But it will want to make a U-turn and come back and fight. So uma usephehlweni, ephehlweni elihle lapho abanakekela khona abantwana. Uma bathi hamba uyofutha, isikhathi sokufutha, hamba uyofutha mntwana Dlozi. Uma bathi manje we have to steam, go and steam. Uma bathi siyaphalaza, go and phalaza. Uma bathi siyapeyita, go and peyita. Uma bathi uyahlehlwa, kuphi asambeni. Just do those things. Those things are going to be part of your protection from the memoya. The good mentors and the good govelas see these things. So they see this harm when it is still there, far coming. Because you are still spiritually not awakened enough to see these other things. Because it's not every gogo or every grandfather that you're going to dream about who is your grandfather or your grandmother. It's not everything that is going to come into your dream and present itself as Idlozi and find that it is really the good Idlozi that is supposed to be communicating with you. Sometimes Umhliwa can come to you as Idlozi elihle, dressing well, likhuluma kahle, and mislead you. Not every dream about Yimi Idlozi or Yimi ugogo wakho is true. Sometimes ngumhliwa, sometimes niphupha emihliwa. So if you know that usaqala in this journey and yebo idlozi lakho libhobokile wagajekwa and don't take yourself as a master while you're still at that stage. Nathi nje esiliphuzele saliphalaza siyizinyanga for years. Imidliwa isafika la. Imidliwa isakokota. Imidliwa is still trying to find its way back. Imidliwa is still trying to disturb and ivule imbobo for izichitho. So because now we are alert, now we are in a journey of healing others, we try by all means ukuthi sihlale sixosha imimoya, angithi. So in that way we are even preventing ourselves from le mimoya which are trying to come to us. Le midliwa. ngoba basasithakatha namanje. It doesn't matter ukuthi wena uyinyanga, wena ugobela, wena uyini, they will still they will still come, even though they know ukuthi wena uyafemba ucosha eminye imimoya, they will still come. So if you're still learning, if you're still young, sithobe mntana wedlozi, sithobe and learn from these good gobelas, these good elders, these good mentors. Uma bethi yebo ngiyalizwa iphupho lakho ukuthi uphuphe ugogo ethi lokhu nalokhu nalokhu, kodwa asambe siyochatha, kodwa asambe sofutha, hambe ufutha. They know what they're talking about. Tomorrow when you wake up, you will wake up with another dream, a better dream, and you'll be surprised to think that what you were thinking ukuthi ngugogo wakho ofikayo with a message actually was not ugogo, it was umdliwa, it was idlozi elibi. So be very cautious. Not everybody that you dream about ngugogo wakho, not everybody you dream about is umkhulu wakho, not everybody you dream about is idlozi lakini or idlozi lelo zalwe nalo. Sometimes ngumdliwa, which comes disguised in a very, very, very good messenger. Abanye benyu nibaleke emaphehlweni amahle, where you were treated kahle because of umdliwa. Umdliwa ofike wathi cha la uzofa, only to find that it was umdliwa trying to take you out from the good space, because umdliwa uyabona ukuthi la angaphola lo mntwana, or uma into zakhe zingalungiswa kahle ngizoba enkingeni, akususe endaweni enhle, ungayiqedi indaba yakho. From there uphume-ke ungena emaphehlweni amabi, one phehlo from another, ungayitholi nento leyo uyifunayo, kodwa usuke from phehlo number 1 which was good. Ngokuswela ulwazi, you thought it is your grandmother talking to you, to find ukuthi ngumdliwa. Don't get me wrong, akhona amaphehlo which are not good, where amadlozi amahle will come and notify you and tell you and akuxwayise ukuthi lapho khona uzofa, phuma, bese uyaphuma-ke. Bese kunalabo abakhishwa emaphehlweni amahle under a good leadership ngemidliwa. So yes, umdliwa can disturb you uma usephehlweni. So uma ungathola ugobela okahle, ugobela onakekelayo, ugobela was always on his or her toes to take care of abantwana, stay there, you'll be safe. You will be safe. You need somebody who's spiritually alert than you are at that stage. Leyo uthi mase idlozi likhubukile or libhobokile, bese you think ukuthi you have arrived, mntwana wedlozi, you have not. Sisayilwa impi namanje, siphumile kudala, saphuma emaphehlweni selapha, kodwa sisayilwa impi namanje. So uba uyahlehla ukwazi ukukhuluma or ukuzisho izibongo bese ucabanga ukuthi you have arrived, shame. I feel sorry for those who think that you need to be under somebody who will help you. Not every dream that you dream about being given instructions about the spirituality or your journey in spirituality, it will always be your good guys, or always be amadlozi akini, or always be amathongo akini. Nemidliwa will try their chances. So be in a position to know which one is which. Ndawo, share.